Okay. Hey, now we're back. What's up? I was on vacation, so I was still trading these accounts, but yeah, no, is what it is. We were out for a little bit because I was traveling. Traded a couple days, not super consistently because of the time zone that I was in. Also, I made levels on my NQ chart last night, and they're all gone. So that's really, really neat. Um, yeah. We'll work on it. We'll figure it out. Yes, it's getting above that pre-market high. think he's a little stronger though. We have news at 10. IQ's not like 5 minutes about to close. There it is. Let me put on some tunes so we're not just sitting in silence here. Oh man, a little bit slower start to the day, first day back. But yeah, we're looking for this retest here. Let's see if we get actually. No, pre-market highs right here, huh? Oh, that's crazy. Yeah, pre-market highs right there. If not broken. I just had it charted wrong. That's crazy. Let me see if I did the same thing here. Oh, no. I did not do it wrong there. And now maybe ES is looking better. ES is cranking. Regardless, we're not super, yeah, see? It's looking like a rejection now. See that? That's a nice strong 5 minute candle. I'm not in a rush. These EMAs are way down here. They're all clumped together. They're not necessarily trending yet. We've had some choppy price action. It's Monday. It's not no news Monday. We have some news. That's not terrible. But yep, there goes NQ. ES kind of doing the same thing. That's why I want my levels on. Because look at what ES just did. Touched a level, dropped. All right, let's get it, man. Let's get it. This is our time, brother. Be good for me to get out and see the scenes I'm. Alright. There's no doubt. Watch out. A little dicey right there. Look at that. Right on. With the boys. Gets the girl out. I'm dying. Easier dead than done, I swear I'm dying. To go. And you taught me well, spinning round. Oh man. Yeah, we touched that trend line, or the trend line, the EMA right here. Almost looks like a little bit of a bull flag potentially. But we're going to be patient here. ES, once again, looking a little strong here. ES looking maybe a little better, but still questionable.
Since that day you left me alone,
Well,
For my part, I tried. Left me standing at that corner of who knows why. Left me
ooh, that was a big old drop of Rooski. Did ES follow suit? It did. Tricky little morning they got for us, huh? Fun little tricks. Little bag of tricks. Oh my. Oh my.
Ain't nothing new. Been here before. Said there ain't nothing new. Lord, I've been here before. Left me alone on that same old shore. Left me alone. Oh, don't you ever leave again. Ooh, don't you ever leave again. Left me alone. Left me to stew on all I'd done. Left me alone. Left me to cry over all that's gone. Left me alone. Left me to wonder what went wrong. Left me alone.
Some naughty price action, I'll tell you that. It's really naughty. We don't like it.
Left me alone. I wrote a song for you. I'd write a million more too. Just to get that same.
Oh man.
Just to see what you would do.
Oh wow. Alright, ES is stronger. So we're gonna watch ES. We'll keep in queue up on the 15. We'll kind of switch back and forth. But I think ES has more potential here.
I was thinking just this morning whether I was worth a damn. If a song can get you smiling, then I guess I surely am.
Man.
And I done found another one, and I can hardly hold him in. Goddamn my Peter Pan, in that smile I found Neverland. Goddamn my Peter Pan, in that smile I found Neverland. You'll be Peter, I'll be Wendy. No, you ain't even touched by time. I first seen you hit Dundee.
All right. Now I'm just waiting for a pullback here on good old ES. ES is strong. And Q's is a little bit lagging behind. It's trying to catch up. ES is cranking though. That's good. So let's be patient. There'll be an opportunity, or maybe there won't be. You know, that's all right. We'd like there to be one, but maybe not. You know, maybe we don't get one today. That's okay. We cannot close over this like 472 level. Oh, maybe we can. I'd like to see a close over this 472, and then I'd like to see a pullback down to like pre-mark high. I would enter long skin, and then I would go and I would look for a break above high day, maybe like 75. And that would be a nice 6 points. Dude, hell yeah. Okay, we didn't get the close above, but we're watching for the pullback to the EMA and the pre-mark high. We'll see if we get it. We still have 10 minutes left in the 15-minute candle, so we're doing all right there. I'll put a buy limit, and we'll see if we get a fill.
Late in May when that woman came to me, said, "Come on over, boy, let's see what we can see."
Now I could have a nice tight stop.
Night of lights,
Not sure we'll get the pullback all the way here. Oh, might.
by some time, man,
Alright, we're in. We'll give us like a 1.5. Somewhere in here. If we're wrong, we want to be wrong fast. We don't want to hold on to it. And we're wrong fast. Alright. Make sure we're fully out. What a weird day. So far, been a very odd day. Looked like we were going to get a nice continuation, like some bullish price action here. I guess we struggled to break this level, so maybe that was a indication. Regardless, it's a very small loss, so we're doing just fine. But like I said, if we're wrong, we want to be wrong fast, and it keeps dropping. So there's no reason to have a wider stop loss on this move because it didn't do what we wanted it to. We wanted to see it hold pre-market high. We wanted to see it hold that EMA. It didn't. It just dropped through everything. So, you know, we had broken and closed above pre-market multiple times. We're struggling at this level, so maybe a key, and maybe I should have waited for this 2-minute to close or something. Could have avoided it, but yeah, we had like a 1.5 stop. 1.25. So yeah, very small loss, and we'll accept that all day long. So we'll see, potentially, if we get another setup, but today seems like some pretty weird price action, pretty choppy. Yeah, ES is definitely stronger than NQ. NQ's pretty weak. Which, if both are going to be weak, then potentially NQ gives us opportunity then, because it is the weaker of the two. So if we see weakness, then maybe NQ is the option for a play. We'll see. I wish my levels didn't just disappear off the face of the earth. That would have been really cool. Are my levels on ES not even showing up? What is going on, man? Why are they doing this to me? All right. Well, all right. I'm gonna see if I can bust out some quick LVLs real quick so I can have some reference. I did it last night. Pre-market low is a nice level, but it's already there, especially with the previous day low. So we'll Alright, let's see. We do have news at 10. I don't think it will be very substantial, but it's something to consider. Somewhere in there. Alright. Oh, I'm about to sneeze. That was a good one. think that's good below us. Alright, we're doing alright. Oh man. Alright, well I'll probably stay out of anything for a while because we're still in the pre-market range. NQ looks like a decent setup, but it's got the pre-market low and the previous day low right here, so I don't really want to take a risk with it potentially bouncing in this area. Not saying it can't drop lower, just I don't think the risk to reward is great yet. I wouldn't be surprised if it made that move lower, but I would have needed a, yep, there it goes. I would have needed a nice entry to feel good about that move. But I did like it. You know, we had a big drop. We lost all the EMAs, all support. We were relatively weak compared to ES. Came up. Didn't quite test the EMAs. So if it did, that would have given a nice risk to reward. And then take it down to that like, pre-market low. Not a bad move. You know, that's like 30 over 30 points. If you caught it from the exact top, so. Alright, now yes might be giving us an opportunity. We do have news in 1 minute. Less than a minute. But yes here, breaking below previous day low. That could be something. That could be something. We'll watch NQ. NQ holds these and starts to reverse, then I think ES does well, because ES is relatively stronger. And really it's in kind of a range I don't even want to trade. We tried one little stab on ES and took a small loss, and we're stepping back until something good presents itself. What are we down? 87? That could potentially be an excellent short entry on ES, potentially. We're retesting EMAs, we're retesting these levels. The only thing keeping me out of it is this very high volume hammer right here. That's what's keeping me out of it. The high volume hammer at the previous day low. But look at this, now it's looking pretty nice. So we'll see. Oof, that might have been generational right there. Yeah, it looks like a very nice entry on that EMA. But once again, got a high volume hammer holding that previous day low and pre-market low, so I think it goes lower for sure, but that's usually I'd want to see these levels break before I lean into a short like that. I think they do break here. I'd be surprised if they didn't, but like I said, we're gonna be patient. We have a very small loss. There's no reason to turn that into a bigger loss on a not a great setup, so we'll try to wait for a great setup if it shows itself. From what my Discover Weekly has for me. Okay, see price jumping now. See? Weird day, weird price action. We're real choppy in this pre-market range so far. See what the Discover Weekly has for me. Oh my. I think like Mac Miller sampled this. Pretty sure. What is going on here? Do I trust it? Do I believe that we're actually going to get some bullish price action? I don't really care what it does as long as it gives me something. Yes, it's looking a little bit nicer. I would enter here and put my stop below the EMAs potentially. And try to take it to like high day. I think it's kind of showing its hand here. Yes, being the stronger of the two is the one to make the bet on if you're on bet long. Probably should once again be patient though. We'll be patient. I don't know if I'm feeling this one. I don't know, man. It's still rangy though. I said I'd be interested in taking that off the eBay. I don't think I am anymore. So never mind. I'm waiting for some more convincing price action. You can see the volume dropping on this move up too. High volume down here, and it's just been declining ever since. And it is a lower high so far. That's what I mean. I'm not really gonna long that until I see some sort of reason to. I don't think it's terrible. I do think it's probably gonna go up, but I'm not trying to trade based on that feeling. I'd rather just see some evidence and then react to it. So we're not taking this retest here as it comes down inevitably. Staying clear from it. Well, bounced right off that 200. A little bit more volume coming in as well. Held so far. I don't know about this one. Alright. Alright, well, it's getting a little interesting. We'll watch it for sure. Yeah, I don't know, man. This price action has been pretty choppy. NQ looks like a nice short. But it's within that range, so I don't really want to do it. But I think it is a nice opportunity. Short, risking off that 200 EMA, enter around these EMAs, you know, small risk, take it down to like down here for a nice like 30 plus points. Looks like it's kind of playing out. Oh man. The EMAs haven't really held up a whole lot though, so I'm not. Looks like it's gonna be nice though. We'll see. I might take it. Maybe.
I'ma go ahead and let you know right away. I was thinking about you just yesterday. Been growing and now it is fully grown. You take over my soul and won't leave me alone. No sugar, oh. Hear what your people saying, but when we're alone, you're acting so different. And I know you can feel it, babe, and that what we here for.
I don't know. Yes, it's looking like it's holding.
Some might call it destiny, babe.
Maybe not. Okay, yes.
I hear it calling me now. Sugar,
Yeah, it's a little bit of the opposite.
hand in hand, let's make a miracle.
We're just gonna wait then.
My ultimate beautiful. Ever pick up the phone and it starts to ring? You can talk to my pen girl and knows your name. I'ma tattoo you deep in your flesh and blue. Never mind all the rules, it's the thing to do. Oh, sugar, oh. Hear what your people saying, but when we're alone, you're acting so different. I know you can feel it, babe. Ain't that what we here?
A nice little like bear flag I made. Looks like it might be breaking down here. I'm trying to.
Call it destiny, babe.
If it breaks this low, it's heading down here for sure.
Think I hear it calling me now, sugar. Hand in hand, let's make a miracle, girl. Oh, my ultimate beautiful. I've been twisting and turning, you know the rest. All the reasons and seasons are blurred a bit. Only you fuel the fire I can't contain. Well, I do love to play, but it ain't a game. No sugar, no. Hear what your people saying, but when we're alone, you're like so different. Know you can feel it, babe. Ain't that what we're here for? Some might call it destiny, babe. I think I hear it calling me now, sugar. Hand in hand, let's make a miracle, girl. Oh, my ultimate beautiful. Some might call it
Alright. We're getting a little breakout here. If we can get a nice breakout and then we get a pull back into it, I'm going long on the yes. I'm trying to get it. I'm trying it again. It's showing strength. It's above pre-market high. It's already broken, closed above it multiple times. Failed to go lower right here while NQ is weak. This is relatively strong. Got a little consolidation in here. We're breaking higher. Broke that high. We can close good. This could be an opportunity. Could be an opportunity. See though. I don't like that. I don't like how it's looking a little weak sauce. Don't look weak. Look strong, Rick. Not strong if you strong. Be strong, man. Come on. Don't just be choppy shit show all day long, man. What a bummer that would fucking be, huh? Excuse my language. That would be a bummer though. We're just choppy and just laying. Which we have been so far, and we might continue to do so.
Like this.
Hmm. I'm kind of tempted, but it's not as good as I liked it to be. Yeah, yes looks better on the 15-minute chart too. This looks like a lot of big upper wicks, a lot of weakness. Yes has those wicks, but then it closed really strong the last 15 minutes. But here it goes, looking weak again. We did hold those EMAs so far. Now we're breaking out. All right, now if we pull back, I'm in. I'm in. I'm in. I'm in. We get it. That's what I wanted to see. Good thing I didn't try short, huh? Wow. Well, maybe I should have entered there and take it to high a day, because that's what it's doing. That's weird, though. It looks a little uncertain. Then we got the breakout, but now we have it, alright? That was what we were waiting for. Now if we get the pullback, we're feeling really good. Let's get it. It'd be sweet if it gave us a nice move today after that little chop out that I got in earlier. Oh, man. Oh, come on. We have a very, very small loss. If we have a semi-decent win, we're good. And we take another small loss, it is what it is, you know? Another small loss would still be very manageable. EMAs are starting to fan out. We held the 200, look this really nice. Got a little breakout of this consolidation. We're looking nice on the 15 minute, looking good on the 5 minute. Big stuff. Real big time stuff. Might get the highest close we've had. Nice, absolutely beautiful. Let us get a pullback and I'm in so good. Give me a strong 5 minute close and then give me a pullback and I am in. It's pretty much the exact same trade that I took before, but we're looking a little stronger in the price action. But we got the break above, we pull back to the EMA and the free market high, that would be the play. It's looking really strong though. Way better than it was. Just great news. Excellent news. Yes. Yes. Now give me a pullback to the EMA. Close the 5 minute, give me a pullback to the EMA. That's the play we're looking for. If it will do it, I'd be pretty stoked. Things are looking at exactly how I want them to at the moment. It's really strong though, it just got that breakout. It might run a little bit before it pulls back. We'll see about that. Nice volume spike. Yeah. Give us a pullback, dude. Just don't be scared. Just do it. You already gave us the breakout. Now give us the entry. Come on. Come on, ES. Give me that move. Give me like 6 points guaranteed. Give me that 6-7 points. Let me make a little guap guap. Come on. Come on, man. Yes. Do it. Do it. Do it. Come on. Yes. 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 Alright, let's get ready. See if it... I don't know if it pulls back all the way. It's so strong. My lord, that would be beautiful if it did. We're just grooving. Grooving, hoping for some moving, you know? Give me a nice little juicer. Come on. Just give me a little speck of juice.
She don't act quite like she used to. She caught that fever when she found out how the night moves. She digs a hole.
Come on. I think it's too strong to give me a good enough pullback to the EMA. I might not get an entry. I'm not really trying to take like a massive risk on a wide stop either. Yes, 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 yes. Come on. Come on, give me a pullback. Let's go. See, this level might be at this is 72 because of how tough it was to break out of. It might test that. It might not get to the EMA. Okay, it's coming down to the EMA. There it is. Alright, we'll try it. And we'll give it... We'll give it below this. It's not hit though. Unless we get like a really crazy spike. Yeah, another stop. Dang, man. It breaks out and then these pullbacks are wicked. And that was a little bit bigger of a loss, so like a little over 100. Yeah. Alright, well that's it for the day. That's a bummer. Another setup that I thought was really nice, and then it just gets me like that. We might, if it holds this 2 minutes, we get a weird, I don't know, why is it being so weird, man? It's being so strange. It's being so weird, man. So strange. Price action is really weird. Take two little bleeding hits off of it, and yeah, I'm gonna step away. I'm gonna go on with my day. That's unfortunate. Actually, I need to open that back up so I can make my review. Anyways, I'm out of here. I'm gonna do a little recap on that. Probably could have kept my loss a little smaller on that second trade, but today was just, it was giving me basically what I'm looking for. It's just not trading well. Really volatile, really choppy, which is hard. But yeah, I don't know, small losing day, we can survive it as long as we don't turn it into a big losing day, and that's been my problem. So we are going to keep it a small losing day, and we're gonna go do some other things and go on with our day. Unfortunate, not how I wanted to start the week, but there's gonna be days like this for sure. And this account, brother, the past week has been, I'm not gonna lie, it's been tough. We've just had some days where nothing I did seemed to work. So accounts are still green. We're still doing all right, and just keep pushing forward. All right, I'm out of here. I'll be back tomorrow, and I'll be back in about 30-40 minutes with a recap on the YouTube channel. Hope you have a great